Alright guys, we got everything hooked up. We got the fan switch hooked up. You can kind of hear it. I'm just checking over everything right now. What's up guys, starting today's video. I haven't been posting much because I've been working a lot. I work like every weekend and I work throughout the day, and the days I have off is like really random. And yeah, I just been really busy, haven't had time to edit my videos and upload any. But today I got time because I got off early today. I worked in the morning from 7 a.m. to 3. Now I have the whole day to do whatever the fuck I want. So today, starting today's vlog, I'm gonna be installing my new shift knob. If you guys didn't know, I got a new one. See if that focus. No. This is a new shift knob. It's OEM 6-speed shift knob. This was really dope because I seen this shift knob on one of my favorite cars that has been sold and probably never gonna be rebuilt again. That used to be here in town. There's Cody Moan's black Civic hatch. That hatch used to have the shift knob right here, and I thought it looked super sick with his K-tune shifter, I believe. And I have a new shifter on the way, but I'm gonna just put this on here just so I can rock it for now. But this shit looks super sick. It is weighted too, so it's gonna be pretty cool how this is compared to the Skunk 2 shift I had over here. Yeah. There is a car meet coming up soon, sometime this week, I believe. I think it's on Friday. I plan on going to that meet. Should be pretty dope. It's at night, and it's an actual meet. It's an actual event hosted at night. And we won't get kicked out for, you know, pulling up at that spot for the meet. It's $5 to get in. It's $10 to get your car in the show. I wanted to get this car in the show, but there's a couple things that I wanted to do, like get a new shifter, clean up some stuff, get a new bezel because I'm missing a vent right here. Then probably like some other stuff like OEM floor mats and like get this car really clean. How it looks like on the RSX shifter box. Looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Can't wait for my billet one to come in though from K-tune. It's gonna look so much better than this. But I'm gonna grab me some tools to tighten that down. Then I think we should be ready to go and get this thing a wash, because this thing is dirty. Doing a bunch of crap to the car. Wiring up the fan to the switch. And then I just got this gauge bezel installed also. Then I'm probably gonna reset the wideband after this once everything is on. But being productive. What's up guys, so back with the car. We got the fan switch hooked up. We actually didn't use a switch because the switch caught on fire. So what we ended up doing was wiring the switch to the CD player. I don't know why it's not on, but there we go. Now it's on. But we wired up to the CD player, so it comes on when I have the ignition on, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna do more research on the kill switch. I think I'm gonna buy another switch, and then I'm gonna find a place to hide it. I did a pretty good job on hiding all these wires that used to be right there. All that, it's gone. Now all you can see from right here is like my cable wires, and that's about it. Pretty clean. All the wires are like under this rug and stuff. So did that. Pretty much it. I got it car washed, but I didn't wax the car, which I should have done, but I got lazy and didn't really want to do much. So right now I'm letting the car warm up and see how it's gonna warm up with the fan on now, because now it has direct airflow. So, yeah. What's up, guys? As you can tell, it's super dark, but I'm in the car right now. I cleaned up the interior quite a bit. I hid some wires that used to be chilling right there, but now all you see is the shifter cables going in there, and that's about it. I think I'm gonna do like some type of carpeting and make it one piece to fill over that whole spot, whatever, to cover that up. Then I also got a new bezel right here, which shows us the air fuel gauge, and I do have now a oil pressure gauge, which I'm gonna hook that up very soon. Samuel, you need to give me that piece to hook this up anyways, so let me know on that. All I gotta do to make that work is run some wires and go to the this plug that goes into the block, which reads the oil pressure, so that can work. So that's all I gotta do now. We planned on doing a kill switch on the car, but we haven't done that yet. So, all we did was wire up the fan because my fan wasn't working, and now it stays on right when ignitions is on. So, and it's getting powered from my CD player. That's how we're doing that, and that's pretty much it for this. But it's pretty much it for today. I think tomorrow I have more things planned. Hopefully the shifter box comes in sometime soon, because I do plan on having that installed before the meet this Friday. And yeah, the RDX, I don't know if you can see it, was kind of dark, but we have the RDX for a whole year now. It doesn't feel like we had this car for that long, but I guess we did have it for that long. So I'm gonna take this thing out and go pick up Gina, so she gets off in like right now probably. Oh, like in a minute. She gets off in a minute. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today. I wish you guys could see me. There you guys go. You can kind of see me, but that's pretty much gonna be it for today. We got some stuff done on the car. I do plan on getting more stuff done. I got that new shifter box coming in soon. I got a new shift knob, and that shift knob is gonna be perfect for that shifter box that I got. It's gonna be super sick. All I gotta do now is order some new shifter cables, and I'll be good to go. I don't know when I plan on ordering that. I do have the money for it, but shifter cables are kind of expensive just ordering just by themselves. So, and I don't know if I want to go with K-Tune or Hybrid Racing. They're both pretty good, but I'm gonna do more research on that and choose from that.